A fast view of a bad client transaction does not stop a credit. Unfortunately, that's how most companies are still operating. The mistake happens upstream, but the business keeps moving. And finance bears the brunt of these errors, cleaning it up later. Credits, rebills, exceptions, late receivables, all impacting cash. That friction erodes margins, drives up the cost to serve, and silently limits how much the business can get done. Not to mention the negative impact on customer satisfaction. Arnold changes all that. Arnold was designed not only to validate against SAP truth before the transaction posts, so the right thing happens the first time, but to do so as a co-work solution alongside your business users, meeting them where they work. But the bigger upside here is you create value. When more work can move through the business accurately with less human intervention and greater customer engagement, you get real operating leverage. Quotes move faster. Orders get handled correctly the first time. Teams spend less time chasing exceptions. Customers get a better experience. That's not just efficiency. That's better execution. That's value. And we don't ask you to take this on faith. Impact Mission Control shows you exactly what's happening. Work completed, exceptions prevented, dollars protected, risk reduced, and customer sat growing. At 30 days, at 60 days, at 90 days, it's immediate. Arnold gives leaders something most AI projects do not: measurable impact on how the business actually runs and generates value.